Explaining about how to apply the colors in 3D in SketchUp. First of all, taking the brush which is showing that eyebrow tab, then select it in the brush which is showing the bucket symbol, and click on it. I want any selecting any uh, patterns or any roofing. I'm selecting the roofing and taking this color or any of these rock stones and clicking on it and select on it. Then rock simply selected. For this also I'm selecting, and again for this direction, if you want rotating by using the rotate direction by zooming in and out, and again I'm selecting another color or anything carpet which is I'm selecting. I selected this one green, this color selected, and again another color taken. Rotate this one. It's for the back work. I'm taking another color brick and select a brick symbol. These are all different types of brick colors and selected. Click on it. Just click on it or where we want, and again if you want this direction, again we take another color, or means same color also you can take it. It's all the colors which are showing in that dialog box. My textures or patterns roofing, and again I am taking a roofing or anything. My landscape I am taking which is not a land symbol which is showing on it, or stones which appearing, or carpet I am taking again. This is symbol I am taken, or this one I am selecting and click on it, and again rotate, and front side also if you want select, click on it, and taken on a glass or mirror any colors which is appearing or any roofing color, and selected this one green color and click on it here you want, and click on it in the trusses symbol. And here you want to click it, and again rotate. For this also you take and select it for the steps. So you want to select it, and this are also. Thank you, and thank you. Share my and thank you and subscribe my channel.